Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create georeferenced place name markers using Google Earth and Google My Maps, and then import them correctly into AutoCAD Civil 3D. First, open Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro is a powerful geospatial visualization tool used to view, analyze, and present geographic data. Unlike the web version of Google Earth, the Pro desktop version includes advanced tools for measurement, data import/export, and mapping workflows. Navigate to your project area using the search bar or by zooming in manually. Use the Add Polygon tool to mark the extent of your project area. This will enable us to easily get to our area of interest in Google My Maps. Once done, right-click the file and choose Save Place As. Save the file as KML or KMZ. Both retain geographic coordinates. KMZ combines images/icons compressed, whereas KML is plain text. Use KMZ when you have images, icons, or more complex data. This file is already georeferenced in WGS84, which works perfectly with Google My Maps. Google My Maps lets you build custom interactive maps by adding points, lines, and areas on top of Google Maps. It's designed for simple mapping, collaboration, and sharing, rather than advanced GIS analysis. Now open Google My Maps and click Create a new map. Import the KML file you created in Google Earth Pro. The project extent now appears as an editable layer. Our interest here is the place names and not on the project area extent. Click on Add Layer. Right-click on the three dots located beside the layer name. Select Rename this layer and assign an appropriate name. Click on the place name of interest and select Add to Map. This will add it to our layer. Do this for all place names of interest. Once you have completed adding the place names, click on the three dots located beside the layer name, select Export Data, choose KML/KMZ, select Download, choose Save Location, assign an appropriate name, then click Save. Now let's bring the place names into Civil 3D. Open AutoCAD Civil 3D and either create a new drawing or open an existing one. Before importing, always set your coordinate system accordingly. This can be done under Toolspace, Units, and Zone section. Define the zone and coordinate system accordingly. Click OK. Run the Map Import command. In the File dialog, navigate to the folder where we stored our file. Set the file type as OGC/Google KML. Select the place names file we created with Google My Maps. Click OK. Civil 3D will read the KML/KMZ and import the features. In the Import dialog, we can see the properties for each layer to be imported. In the Input Layer column, we are only interested in the placemark row. Ignore the other layers. In the Map Import window, click on Drive Options. Press the arrow under Schema Attributes to expose more details. Click the three dots under Additional Attributes to expose, scroll through, and ensure the KML_name option is ticked under Select Additional Attributes to expose. Click OK to exit the Select Additional Attributes to expose dialog. Under the Data column in the Placemark row, click on the three dots to bring up Attribute Data dialog box. Select Create Object Data. Click on Select Fields. Put a tick next to the KML_name. Click OK to exit the Attribute Data dialog. Click OK to finish the file importation process, and that's it. You now have accurately georeferenced place name markers inside Civil 3D. The place marks can also be imported and used in GIS programs. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.